Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Time check, guys. It's 4:14 and we arrive here in the hotel. It's like a inn house, something like that. It's bed and breakfast, I think, because as I will tell you that this trip is, we have a theme. It's an old time trip. And that's the inn, guys. That's where we're gonna stay for tonight. And it's just like this, but it's very expensive. It's $200, I think, per night. And I will do a room tour. I said no vacancy. Oh, it's raining. This is where we're gonna stay, guys. Carriage House Inn. So we're gonna enter. There's a place ring. And this
Upon arrival, call that number.
call. Hold on. So guys, we're here in the Carriage Inn Carriage House Inn. So when you will enter here, naka-close lang, guys. This one here is the where we're gonna eat for breakfast tomorrow. And our room is upstairs on the second floor, so I have to go there. And we have a very nice room, guys. I can understand now why it's so expensive, but this one you will open. That's how when you will enter. And then in the right side when you enter, guys, we have a door here. But first we will go to the room. So this is the room. We have an air condition, but we close it because it was too cold. So time check is 4:34. And then that's the room. It's a queen size bed. Because guys, our trip has a theme. So the theme of our trip is the old time life. I don't know how you're gonna call it, but it's the old. So we've been to King's Landing, and then here, that's the room. Yeah, it's quite old, but it's clean. We have the bed there. We have that, the room, and then when you go out, this is all ours. So this is the door, guys. So here is our private bathroom. It's clean. Yeah, it's clean, but I don't like when it's like that. I have to close it. And then we have a shower. We have lots of towels. It's nice. So what is there? There's nothing complimentary. Yeah, it's here. We have we have here. But anyway, I bring mine. Very nice. What is there? Oh, they have a hair dryer, so that's good. I can use it. I will go for a shower anyway. So there is our room, and then here is our that, guys, when we enter, this is where we're gonna enter. This is the room, and this side here is our living room. So we have separate living room from our room. Very nice. We have the office here, but I have everything, all my things. That's where all my gadget, my computer is here, and we have our luggage there. They have a how you call that, a cabinet, closet, and then we have another big TV here, and a sofa. Here they don't have air condition, but anyway. And then here it's not cold, so yeah, coldest. Okay, so and here. So, you know, when I said that it's so expensive, guy, yeah, it's expensive, but I can understand now because we have a nice room, and yeah, that's it. So, this is it, guys. Look, the room, the main door is there. This is the living area, and the room is over there. So, hindi na ako papasok doon, guys, kasi si Habi natutulog, nag-rest. So, that's it. And we're so happy, guys, in the room. And then we are only, I think she said 5 minutes walk to the downtown. And we are in the waterfront. So, Habi will rest first. And then we will walk around and have our supper there. So, this is it, guys. So see you again tomorrow, guys. I will end this one for now, or maybe I will continue tomorrow. No, I will end tonight, guys. I will come back for tonight, and the King's Landing is another video. Time check, guys. I'm back. Time check, guys. It's 5:35, and we're going to walk there in the, I don't know, check, looks like, or maybe the sun, and we're going to walk to the, you call that, the waterfront, and yeah, this is the, ito yung mga neighborhood dito, guys. So sa mga, I think lahat ito puro mga bed and breakfast. Ito yung sa amin dyan, and I'm very happy, guys, na kahit parang luma siya tingnan, maganda yung sa loob, maganda yung loob, guys. And then yeah, it's very tranquil. So yung waterfront is just there, but we just walk over there and then turn right, left, I said. Okay, hold on, guys. Isaac's Way.
Isaac.
Okay. So we're here now in the restaurant, guys. So we've tried this one, Isaac Ways on Queens. It's recommended by the woman kung saan kami nagstay. And I think I will try this strawberry best. Okay. Just cranberry. Classic Caesar. I don't know what cocktail I will choose. The price are affordable. Okay. So I will check this one, guys. We'll come back.